Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Frozen. And yeah, got here. Let's go check the engine bay and I'm gonna see if I can open the hood or show you what's going on. And guys, there we go, guys. It's doing this weird crap. I had no clue what the heck is wrong with it. Come in here. Lights are flashing. We go and click that. Nothing freaking happens. Yeah, damn. Wow. 100 subscribers. Can't believe that, guys. Oh, half an hour, 45 minutes away. Like, you know, the dude was selling this Jeep. So they're offering like $2,000 for it. We didn't want to pay that money. We're gonna offer them $150. The dude brought it down to $1,000. So $1,000 Jeep we got. Look at you guys underneath this bad boy. Whoa. Wow. They use some, you know, the front loaders. Have you ever been to like Copart or something like that? Those like big old tractor front load things. They use one of those to load it onto a trailer. And yeah, look at that mirror. That's what I like call premium. Also, I don't want to smell that. It's a 4.6 liter V8. Yeah, second to base model Solario or whatever the heck you call that. Nasty G. More videos on it. Okay, let's go watch do this. Here's the Mustang. New people want to see the update. They don't want to see nothing. I got it all shiny on the dash and stuff before. Turn that off. Get some rev like this. All right, guys, let's get some exhaust view for you guys. off too. But yeah, you can know this is the Ratatouille Jeep Cherokee. Stinky, icky, nasty. You know what runs now, before it didn't. Carpet's all wet. We figured out there's these little drain tubes in the roof that goes down, 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 down. It leaks somewhere. They're clogged. That's why it leaks in here, and that's why it's all wet in here. And that's why it stinks in here too, because you gotta open up the ceiling too. So, what I'm gonna do, let's open up the trunk or the lift gate. Boom! Bet you never see a Jeep like this before. No sir. You see, that's for the tire, and I shouldn't have touched that. We gotta gut this all up because finding mice and droppings is making it smell better. YouTube has smell. You guys would be dead. I don't know if you can see the mice droppings, but this is one of the next steps. First that, then that's dropping. But yeah, you know guys, this is the Ratatouille Jeep. If you want to see more videos about this, it can somewhat look like this Jeep. And holy moly, it stinks like, it stinks in here. But yeah, let's go let this bad boy air out. Boom. Yesterday, me and my dad were out here pretty much all day, stripping it. Because see my last video, it had seats in it. And now, it has nothing. Not even the center console's gone. Except that and that. But basically everything's gone. So you see here, we're taking off the headliner too. I don't know if you can see up there, but there's a nest. I think you guys seen it. Oh, seatbelts. Woohoo! Don't we just love seatbelts, guys? There's the center console. And yeah, you want to see more videos on this? Yeah. Let's get it 3 likes for the video. 3 likes to get another video for this. Let's go ahead and go see the other one. Yeah, I so appreciate if you guys subscribe. It really mean a lot to me. All this content. I just lose subscribers making these videos, not gain subscribers. So, sad. Alright, I might make this to a 2-part video. So, you see 2 videos, that's why. You see part 1, there we go. Always ruining the video. Alright, let's go get some photos of this. There. They all look. Plus, guys, another bonus. The Jeep is done. Been done for a couple while now. You haven't seen these videos, go watch them. I'll try to put links in the description for it. So guys, subscribe for more videos. Bye.